I'm sorry, I'm using my laptop. When someone calls, then problems arise. Is my screen still available? I share again.
Share again.
Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
So we are talking about the background. Now, the background is going to give us a problem statement. You see how we are following a systematic order. One thing gives you another. So 1.1 is the background. Then 1.2 is the problem statement. Now, problem statement clearly tells what you are going to solve. What is the problem? So a problem statement is just a short paragraph. And this paragraph tells us exactly how things should be, the status quo of the things, and what you are going to do to solve the problem. Okay? So, for example, I'm going to develop a timetable management system. So I can say, in order for the university to function very well, it needs a proper timetable which students and lecturers can follow in various course units and activities. However, Nkumba University has no timetable management system, which makes it a problem for both the students and the lecturers to attend lectures. Therefore, in my research, I'm going to develop a timetable management system for Nkumba University so that students and lecturers can easily follow lectures. Finished. That's enough. You have showed us what things should be. You have shown us currently what is happening, and you have showed us that you are going to solve the problem. It's just a simple paragraph. But you find a student writing a full page or 2 pages of a problem statement, but actually there's nothing in the problem statement. And you ask, what is the problem? So many words with nothing. So from the problem statement, then automatically it follows 1.3, which is the objectives. Now, objectives are going to help you to achieve the solution which you told us in your problem statement. The objectives will help you to achieve the development of the timetable management system. And objectives have two parts. Part one, that is 3.1. That's 1.13. 1.13 is main objective. Now, the main objective is your topic. So if my topic is development of a timetable management system, so my main objective will be to develop a timetable management system for Nkumba University to solve issues of timetable management at the university. That is my main objective. Okay? It should be your topic itself. Only you play around with the words. Then when you go to specific objective, that is 1.3.2, specific objective, there you begin by assessing one objective. Objectives are usually numbered. Specific objective. Objective one is to assess what is exactly happening at Nkumba University. Because there's no way you are going to do research when you have not done an assessment. So assessment means go to the university, see what is happening. That is the first specific objective, is to do an assessment. Then the second is to analyze. You make an analysis from what you have heard, from what you have observed, from what people have told you. In assessment, maybe you can go to the AR's office, you can go to the admins, you can go to the students, you ask them, you can go to the lecturers, you ask them, all that you have gathering information, which information is going to inform you, which is going to help you to do your research. Okay? So after you do an analysis means you are now looking at the findings. You are looking at what the students told you. You are looking at what the lecturers told you. You are looking at what the admins told you. You are looking at what the AR told you. You are analyzing these things. You can even put them in a table format. Okay? You can even put them in a table format. And you say, now I interviewed 80 students. Out of 80 students, 70 students said they are fed up because there is no timetable. Every time the timetable is changing and so on. Out of the 80 students, 5 said they don't know, they have no option, they don't even know what a timetable is. You put it in a table form. Okay? You do analysis of the results. Then, objective 3, you do the real designing of the timetable system. You start the designing. Okay? Then, objective 4, you go and look for the feedback. You take this timetable that is to them, the Nkumba University, to start using it. That's now you're doing evaluation. You are evaluating what you designed in step 3. So after designing, you do the evaluation by taking it to the university. Because you said you are designing a timetable for Nkumba University. Take it to them. Tell them, this is what I've come up with. This is a solution I've come up with. Is it working? They are going to say, yes, it's working. No, it's not working. It is missing this. So you note down what is missing. Okay, that is evaluation. Then after you go back and you put exactly what was missing, then finally, the last objective is to implement. So we begin with an assessment. We analyze what we have assessed. We develop or we design from what we have assessed. Then we evaluate what we have developed. Then finally, we implement. These are the objectives. This is how they move. Okay? So after stating the specific the objectives, you go to 1.4. Now 1.4 is the significance. Significance. Significance means how is your research beneficial, say, to the academia? Okay? How is the academic world going to benefit from your research, from your work? Then secondly, the community you are doing it for. Now you are said you are doing it for Nkumba University. How will the university benefit from your research? Now I told you to think of an organization. So that organization which you chose in your coursework, how is it going to benefit from your work? You have to tell us exactly how that organization is going to benefit from your work. If it is your workplace, how is it going to benefit?